Okay, dear students, welcome to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the theodolites. So we can say that the theodolites are the measurement instruments utilized in the surveying to determine the horizontal and vertical angles with the tiny low telescope that may move within the horizontal and vertical planes. That is the theodolite. It is an electronic machine. Theodolites are employed every place from construction site to main road points. It is a wide telescope. Theodolites are employed every place from construction site to main road points. So we can say uses of theodolites in surveying. We can use there are the following major uses of theodolites. They are used in the measuring horizontal and vertical angle, locating point on a line, finding the difference in the level on survey lines, drawing ranging curve. There are several use of the theodolites. Important part of the theodolite with functions. What are the some important part of the theodolite? So these are the some important part that are mentioned here of any electronic theodolite. These are the telescope, horizontal plate, vertical circle, index frame, the standards, upper plate, lower plate, plate level, leveling head, the shifting head, magnetic compass, tripod, and plumb bomb. So these are the some parts. Basically, like telescope is used to see the object को देखने के काम में आता है. हॉरिजेंटल प्लेट यूज फॉर मेजरिंग द हॉरिजेंटल एंगल को मेजर करने के काम में आती है. देन वर्टिकल सर्किल इट इज यूज फॉर मेजरिंग द वर्टिकल एंगल को मेजर करने के काम में आता है. इंडेक्स फ्रेम कंसिस्ट ऑफ हॉरिजेंटल एंड वर्टिकल विंग. दिस फ्रेम इज एडिशनली कॉल्ड ए टी फ्रेम और वर्नियर फ्रेम. Horizontal wing help to require the measurement of vertical angle and the vertical wing help to grip the telescope at the wanted level. So these help to measure the horizontal and vertical angle. In this manner, there are standards is the also the part of the this theodolites. Standards look like A shape, and for that it is known A frame. Standard frame supports the telescope and allow it to spin about the vertical axis. Upper plate, it is the bottom on that standard and vertical settled. It also helps to rotate the standards and telescope regularly for correct measurement. Lower plate, basically lower plate is that the base of the entire instrument. Lower plate हमारे पूरे इंस्ट्रूमेंट का बेस होता है. It homes the foot screws and the carrying for the vertical axis. It is strictly connected to the tripod. Plate level are lifting by the upper plate. That is the proper angle to every different. With one they are coordinate to Union axis. Plate levels facilitate the telescope to mend incorrect vertical point. Leveling head consists of the two parallel triangular plate called tri-bridge plates, and shifting head conjointly consists of the two parallel plate that are modified one over the opposite among a limited range. Magnetic compass, a circular box compass or magnetic compass is mounted on the vernier scale between the standards. Tripod, the theodolite is mounted on a powerful tripod. It is for mounting the theodolites. And plumb bomb is used for the center the instrument precisely over a station mark. Plumb bomb is suspended from the hook fitted to the rock bottom of the central vertical axis. In this, there are the several parts of the theodolites. Types of the theodolites, there can be several type of the theodolites, like the repairing theodolite, directional theodolite, electrical digital theodolite, total stations. These are the various type of the theodolites. And here we can classify the theodolites, that is the classification is the repeated theodolite, directional, electrical, total stations. And secondary classification, primary and electronic digital theodolites. So these are the different type of the theodolite. It is the model of the Sokia company electronic theodolites. Here we can say it is used for reading purpose. It is telescope is used there. Screws is used for making the adjustment. तो थियोडोलाइट्स के बहुत सारे मॉडल हो सकते हैं. टोटल स्टेशन इज द इम्प्रूव्ड वर्जन. That is the important that total stations are presently used, and some model of the total stations are the Nikon DTM 801, Topcon, and Geo Diameter 400 series. Secondary classification, like primary theodolites, these can be transit or non-transit type. ट्रांजिट मीन्स पूरा जो एक चक्कर घूम लेती है, होल रिवोल्यूशन इज पॉसिबल. नॉन ट्रांजिट इज नॉट यूज्ड प्रेजेंटली. डिजिटल theodolite are the modern type of theodolites, are digital theodolites. Now improved version, that is the total station of is the theodolite का improved version total station है. The instruments can record horizontal and vertical angle together with the slope distance and can be considered as combined EDM plus electronic theodolites. तो combined इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिजिटल मीटर को हम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक थियोडोलाइट के साथ कंबाइन कर देते हैं. माइक्रो प्रोसेसर इज ऑल्सो इनबिल्ट with this. So these are there are the nowadays surveying system are available with the GPS के साथ भी हम इसको यूज कर रहे हैं मॉडर्न वेज में. There are several type of the total station, mechanical, motorized, auto lock, robotic. These are the theodolite systems. ये हमारे theodolite systems हैं. Like mechanical is the manual operation, we mostly done in the mechanical type of the theodolites. And in case of the motorized TS, that is the automatic system where servo motor are used for doing the work. Auto lock TS are the semi automatic measurement process. And the automatic robotic TS, these are the automatic type of the theodolites. They contain the control, battery, etc. So these are the some diagrams of the like classical theodolite, manual, automatic, total station type का RCS controller for the remote control of TCA, total theodolites को कंट्रोल करने के लिए. तो देयर कैन बी सेवरल टाइप ऑफ द मॉडल ऑफ द थियोडोलाइट्स. तो सैलेंट फीचर्स ऑफ द मॉडर्न टीएस जो हमारा ये टोटल स्टेशन का डायग्राम वी कैन से देयर आर द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स दैट आर मेंशन हियर. एंड these are the some features like it contain the graphic display, dual axis compensation, labeling, and storage facility are available. Friction clutch and the endless drive is also available. Guide light or lumi guide tracking light is also available. And measurement modes, so there can be the automatic target recognition. So there can be the several mode of the modern type of the theodolite. Reflector less or direct reflex measurement. So these are the some type of the features. Remote control system is also available. These are the features of the, we can say, of the modern type of theodolites. So modern type of total station. So in this manner we have studied about the theodolite and total stations, and that are very useful for labeling or surveying purpose. Thank you.